What's up, man? Shit, man, I'm about to hit this party, man. I wonder if I can borrow your shirt. You say if I want to go Golden Corral. Nigga, I only got $3, man. They don't got no dollar menu, man. Come on, man. McDonald's or something. Burger King or some shit, nigga. They got the value fucking menu for $1, nigga. Let's go there, nigga. Alright, man. Need some more shirt and shit. Finna hit this damn Goodwill store. Hello? What's up, man? Man, I finna hit this mall, man. Finna get some new clothes, man. Finna go clothes shopping and shit, man. But hey, man, I'm hit you back later. Alright, man. Can't tell nigga I been going to go to the store and shit, nigga. Fuck that shit, nigga. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot, hot 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot. Excuse my charisma. Fucker with a swisher. Swagger down pack. Call my old young money militia. And I am the... You don't want to start Weezy cause the F is popping this shit. So misunderstanding what's the something. Hello? Say you just bought the car to 4. I ain't bought it, like, I downloaded it from the internet, but my computer got a virus, so, hold on. But yeah, got a virus on my computer and shit, man. So, I only got, like, one song on my MP3 player, cause I never get to finish it, so, like, I can borrow your copy, man. Fuck you too then, nigga. You say what it look like? Well, I look like Waka Flocka, but dread complexion. I'm built, ripped, sexy with abs, tattoos on my neck, and I drive a Bentley, and I got an iPhone. So like whenever you see a guy like that, just holler at that nigga, cause you know it's me, the sexy guy. You see if I can cook. Yeah, girl. I go ham on them ramen noodles. Yeah, I'm finna go meet this girl at the mall. Been waiting a long time for this shit, man. Penny want me a damn girlfriend and shit, man. For myself and shit. Damn, I'm into the hairline. Probably if I wear the sack, nobody will notice that shit. Nobody won't notice that shit. Look fresh. Just want to make sure the hairline high. Nobody will notice that shit. I hope. Light bill due. I dare y'all niggas to cut my light off, nigga. Fuck wrong with that light? Oh, somebody probably hit the light pole or some shit, man. Damn, that should be back on like 30 minutes or some shit. I don't know about that shit.